I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Hololive UNDONE watch, FuwaMoco edition. So first, let's open up her. It's been a year since I pre-ordered her. So there's this nice mount. Put this down, put it in. It's beautiful. So just remember this, blue and black. So let's actually open up the watch. Let's see how easy it is. Beautifully packaged. I love the pink and blue. You cannot beat it. The lettering, everything is great. Of course. Look, this is so great. Even with this poster, it's actually pretty thick cardboard. I'm quite impressed. It's not, no sparkles, but it's fine. And it has this beautiful card too. And I ordered it on, well, April, whatever. Well, that's when it was made, not when I pre-ordered it. But yeah, there we go, date of purchase. And I guess it was supposed to be like this. Oh, dude, I love it because it freaking matches the stand. How beautiful is that? And let's take the plastic off. And oh my gosh, this is tightly sealed. I don't want to pause this video, so let's see. Yeah. My apologies. A brief introduction. Oh, it's so tough. It's pretty thick. Gosh, but it's nice. Almost done, I promise. Just bear with me. Oh yeah. Not bad. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm actually quite happy with this, to be honest. Look at this nice back cover. You can't see the inside, but I promise you, it's mechanical. So, Fuwa and Moco. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And let me take this off. You cannot beat it. Who wants digital watches these days anyways? There you go. Yeah, because it was shipped. Look at this. Hear this? Oh my gosh. There's no noise. Oh, this is so good. And it goes both ways. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me put this on. Oh my god. This watch is so beautiful. Smells like new rubber too. My wrists are pretty small, so I actually use the last. Gosh dang it. Great. Not bad. Yeah, maybe it's too tight, but it's fine. 2 thumbs up. I love the design. This is great. And there's a lot of resistance too. Perfect.